Welcome to Proctur. Dear educators, Proctur provides end-to-end digitization solution to enable educators to effectively manage their institute. Proctur features among the top 10 most promising educational application. Proctur has implemented its solutions at over 2,500 educational institutes in more than 125 cities across India. We are glad to introduce Proctur Learning Management Solution, which will help you to empower your educational institute with technology by conducting live interactive classes, securely sharing recorded lectures with students, conducting online exams, collecting fees online.
Hello everyone. Proctur and EdTech, which has pioneered in the digitization of educational institutes, has launched its amazing offer wherein you will be getting your own white-labeled personalized mobile application along with your own website. As you can see, I'm logging into web.proctur.com portal, which includes all the features right from inquiry management, where you can manage all the inquiries, you can have a complete database, you can run your campaigns, SMS campaigns, email campaigns, you can send notifications. Then you have complete student management, wherein you will be able to manage the complete student data, their iCards, their fees, maybe you are providing some inventory. Complete student management is there. At the same time, you get a complete fee management part, where you will be able to monitor the fees, you will be able to create different fee structure for different courses, you will be able to analyze complete revenue that has been generated, it has check management, it has online history, etc. Complete fee management. At the same time, you have class and exam planner, wherein you can schedule your classes, you can schedule your exams, you can schedule your timetable, you can make your own roster. Then you have option of sharing data and the audio, video and study material with the students. You can share study material with the students, videos, PPTs, any kind of study material that you want to. You can also share the complete folder with the students. At the same time, there are ways of conducting live classes as well. You simply have to schedule a live class. You have to create a live class right from here. You select the timing, start time, end time. You select the faculty. Maybe if you want, you can have a moderator as well. Select the course. Automatically, a notification will be sent to all the students once the class is notified, and the student can log in right from their own application, mobile application. Also, if they want, they can go to your website and log in. Simply you start the class and a teacher can start the class right from here. In a similar way, you get a wonderful website as well, a complete white label website wherein a student can log in, wherein you get inquiry management. You also have a complete website where you will be able to show all the courses. Also, you will be able to sell your courses online. You also get an e-commerce option. We also have a provision of creating coupon codes. Student can apply the coupon code, make the payment and register themselves. So you get a very dynamic website wherein you have all kind of features, like you can have your testimonials, your about us policies, your content, etc. Apart from that, you also have features like e-store, your own website you are getting. You can also create your assignments, share it with the students. You also have library management. We do have a provision of creating roles, wherein all kind of roles can be created. It can be an academic counselor, it can be a consultant, it can be a librarian, whosoever, whatsoever role you want to create. You have a track of all the ID passwords. It is a single device login. So basically, you get a complete package of your own personalized brand, your application, and your website, and the complete learning management software.